Hi, this is Chuck McCown. Going to show you something that we do for our blade customers here. We put a new tub on this Zon, and if you notice the thickness of the metal here, that's twice as thick as it comes from the factory. So it'll last twice as long, and if you guys would take and trim those rubber flappers back to where they just barely touch, it'll last even longer, because those rubber flappers just grind that flow fill right up against the tub and just like sanding it continually. So anyhow, this is something that we do for our blade customers as a service. We reskin these tubs, but I want to show you something else that we've added to both our version of the Zon, and we added it to this Ditch Witch one too. So if you want to start that up, Ben, and show you. Alright, let's lift her up. So if you notice that shape of that gate, I'm calling it a vernier control, because that just harkens back to the days of the Apollo missions and their vernier attitude control rockets. But we're adding a vernier flow fill control to these things, and so if you get too little exuberant on the controls, you're not going to splash a big gob of it out in the street, because it's got a lot more fine control over how fast the flow fill comes out, and it just is a better way of doing things. So, and we've also done some things with the chute, and we've actually centered the tub on the machine rather than offset, so it gives you a much better center of gravity. Plus, it gives you a lot better visibility as to what's going on from the operator's position. So the tub itself is full 3 inches over from factory. So we had to put the little chin chute on here, there's a little chin slide on here to make sure all this stuff dribbles over into the actual chute and doesn't end up on the street. So anyway, just some fun stuff we're doing here at McCown Technology, your source of the best micro trenching blades on the planet.